Could you imagine if it was a requirement to read books to become more evolved?
Well, then majority of the, in the past would not.
Yeah.
Before, Gutenberg,
Yeah.
we'd be fucked.
But that's what people did. They hoarded knowledge.
Mm-hmm.
Because people told them the only way you can learn is to look to these outside sources. I've told you this. I remember one of the very first podcasts we talked about, before I had even reviewed things of like the Meyer material. I was like, it's that book. It's that internal one.
Mm-hmm.
That has to be viewed, but you're given all of these elements.
Well, it'd be silly for a creator not to give you
everything involved.
It'd be cruel then.
It'd be a losing battle.
It would be a fucked up matrix.
Exactly. So the point which Mr. Meyer makes is that the elements of your existence do not need to be found externally.
Mm-hmm.
They will be found internally. And everything you need to do to find success, security, confidence, will, love, concordia, natures, wisdom, all of those things will all be found internally. You don't need to read books to become wise. You can find wise people that have never, ever read in their entire lives, but engage so wonderfully with nature and you and themselves. You can see it, you can feel it. But school nature is not